So guys, this is the cassava. We're going to process this cassava into garri. So this is the peeling process. You can see how we are peeling it. One you can do. Yeah, this one is fun to be with, my sister. You can see garri procession have a lot of steps. After this after this peeling step, I will still carry you guys along in the next step, but I think it has 4 stages or so. We are still going to take it to the mill. No, Chineke phone me dele. Best get Chineke, this that ginya here man. No hanga sawa. Okay. So guys, we are done peeling the cassava. As you can see, we are in the washing process. After washing it, we're going to pack it into the bag and we'll go straight to the mill or engine. Don't know what it's called. Go. Garri loading. Garri loading. What a hectic day. Go search Google from there. You can see it. I think we are done washing the first one. So we have enough of people. We're almost done. We're almost done. You can see that. You can see that. Go out from there. As you can see, we are in the engine mill. So this is our own cassava, and there are other people here that want to do their own. So you can see this. This is not our own. It's for the other people that wants to grind their own cassava. This is our own. So we are waiting for the owner of the engine to come and start the process.
Coffee! 3 days later. 3 days.
So guys, you're welcome back. This is the process. What do I call this process? Is it filtering or I don't know?
It's your process. Their process.
So guys, you can see how we are frying the garlic. This job is not an easy job. My eyes have seen shake here. My eyes have seen shake and believe. Garri is very, very expensive. So if you make this and you have it, so guys, here we are. You can see the garri, very fresh and it's still hot. So we'll go ahead to spread it out and allow it to cool very well before packing in the buckets or maybe storing in any container. Garri, we are still frying. Okay, we made enough of garri from this cassava. I think we had about 8 pence of garri from this cassava. So we are not going to buy garri for now because we have enough of it. Okay, if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please do well to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.